welcome back to my channel. Couple disclaimers. One, Avani's desk is kind of messy and I don't want to touch anything because it's hers. Two, I have the fan going and I'm not going to turn it off because I feel like I'm having an actual heat stroke right now. So today I am going to be doing a full look using only Arbonne products except for my brushes because it didn't come with any brushes, and except for mascara because unfortunately when I took the mascara out of the box I dropped it once and it completely broke and it's unusable. So first thing on Arbonne, I have not used any of these products yet, so it's going to be a completely brutally honest review. It comes with quite a few things. So this came with the bundle makeup pack that I got for joining Arbonne and becoming a seller. It came with a lot. The first thing I'm going to be using is their Perfect liquid foundation. So I don't even know if this is my shade. Again, I've never used it before. As you can see, it is very pure and new. My beauty blender is disgusting, I'm sorry. Hello. There we go. Let's see how this goes. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest with you. First impressions are, I think it's pretty close to my skin color actually. It's not super thick coverage. This is my second pump I'm going in with. Wow, that's actually really nice. I feel like it gives me a very nice matte finish, which I really like. This is my third pump, but it's a lot smaller. I'm just trying to give you guys an estimate of how much I'm having to use. Okay, so it's definitely a lot paler than my natural skin, but it's actually a really nice coverage. It's actually even better than what I would say my current foundation looks like. Oh, it did come with makeup primer. I messed up. It came with makeup primer and I just did not see that at all. It also came with eye makeup remover, and then it has this setting powder. It did not come with any concealer, which I was a little bit bummed about. So it comes in a loose powder. I just opened this up and as you can tell, it's already kind of causing a mess. So that's why I am not a huge fan of loose powders. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's too much. I'm just gonna close my eyes and not look till it's done because it's stressing me out, to be honest with you. Okay, well, I got it set, but that was really stressful. It was a hot mess. It also came with bronzer, so we're gonna go ahead and take the film off of that and do that now. One thing I really like about Arbonne is that they are cruelty free, which is a big deal to me. I don't really know that I've talked about it much in my YouTube life, but I am vegetarian and I love being vegetarian. It is really important to me. So the fact that they are completely cruelty free just means a lot to me. It makes me feel like they're a brand I can really trust and respect. Also, this bronzer is really nice. I had to use hardly any. Okay, so they also included a blush. It is just this little pretty pink one here. I really like it. So when you're customizing your palette, you can choose what color of things you would like. And so I chose my bronzer color, I chose my eyeshadow palette, my blush. Okay, I feel like it's cute, but I feel like I look super discolored, just kind of driving me crazy. So I'm just gonna try to blend that in. It did not come with any highlighter, concealer, or anything like that, so that's a bummer. So I am going in with my brows. It came with a tinted brow cream, which is like a little brush with some tint on it, and then it also came with an eyebrow pencil. I'm excited about this. Again, you do choose your colors and everything like that. It is not just up to the randomness of Arbonne. So this is a brow pencil. I got it in the shade medium. Just kind of rolls out like that, and then on the other end it has a spoolie. So I'm going to go ahead and use the spoolie to just kind of brush my eyebrows up and out. My eyebrows are honestly a hot mess. I never ever wax them or anything. I haven't even plucked my eyebrows in about 2 years. I have a problem. About a year ago, I followed this girl named Avery who is like my sponsor, and she is all about Arbonne, so I really wanted to give it a try. And it kind of turns out that with something like Arbonne, if you become someone that will sell something, you can get a lot of discounts on your items. I feel like every single video I start with my hair down and end with my hair up, and I don't know what my issue is. Ooh, now you can really see the discoloration. Oh, I'm gonna lose my mind if I do that. What the heck? We are going to go ahead and get started on the eyes. So I believe they only had 2 kinds of eye palettes that I could choose from at the time. So I chose this one, which is just this really pretty palette. It has all of these really nice shades in it, which I'm a huge fan of. And then it also came with Prime and Proper eye makeup primer. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on my eye right now and give you guys an honest review. I'm really, really, really picky. Oh, it's tinted, okay. Okay, it's actually really nice and smooth, even considering that I probably had got some foundation on my eyelid and powder. It's still going on really nice and smooth. It definitely smells a little bit like a crayon, but that's okay. For the look, I'm probably going to be going for more of a natural look. Oh, there's a film on here. I'm probably going to be using more of the red natural tones. I'm just gonna go with the shade Fog, which is like a white shade, all over my lid initially, just to kind of test out how their quality is before I do my look. Oh wow, this is dark. My other eyeshadow was not off of this. Okay, well that kind of picks how my look is gonna go today. Okay, so it's not easily blendable at all. I'm having to like dab it across my entire eye. I can't just like swoop it across, which might be due to the primer, but I hate that. As far as the actual shades, I would say that this is pretty spot on compared to what I usually do. It is a little bit patchy. I'm using Clove and Caraway, and I'm gonna go in with that on my bottom lash line. So that's what it looks like thus far. I think that's fine. I'm not trying to do anything like crazy with this look. I might go in with the shade Desert and just add a little bit of shimmer on my lid. Ooh, that shade's really, really pretty actually. Also using the shade Desert to go in on my inner corner. So the colors are definitely really, really pigmented, which I really, really, really like. That shade, that does not look good. So for like a quick second, I thought that looked good, but now I feel like it just looks like I have a black eye. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is go in with my own mascara again, because the mascara that they had broke within like 1 day of using it, which is actually super unfortunate because I really enjoyed their mascara, but I'm not even joking, it broke really, really, really quickly. So that sucked. I was not a fan of that. I will say Arbonne is definitely on the more expensive end of makeup, but I mean, if you're comparing it to anywhere like Sephora or Ulta, it is along the exact same prices as everything you would find there. No, I hate when I do stupid things like that. Oh my gosh, I get so mad at myself when I do stupid things. Like rush through mascara. Of all the things to rush through during your makeup process, mascara is not a good option. I'm gonna go ahead and try to add just a little bit more eyeshadow and see if that gets rid of my issue. I can't. Oh, I never reviewed the eyebrow. I really, really like the eyebrow pencil actually. I think it's really, really nice. And I really like the cream brow tool thing. I'm now just going in with the black pencil eyeliner that it came with. So this is definitely not like a super, super, super black pigmented eyeliner. And I haven't seen my eye self with eyeliner in a really long time because I stopped using it. It went on quite nicely. I definitely noticed a little bit of fallout just from opening it up immediately, but at the same time, I've never used it, so I feel like that's not that crazy. Mascara. Oh, I don't know how I feel with myself with eyeliner on. I haven't done it in so long and I feel like it kind of makes me look mean. The last thing I have to do with Arbonne is their lipsticks. It came with 3 lip products. It came with a pencil, a colored lip gloss, and then a lipstick. I guess I'll use all 3 just so I can really test them out. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this color here. I got this in the shade Tulip. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. So the first thing I noticed just by lining my lips is that this is definitely a little bit on the tougher side. It's not super smooth. It's not very creamy. It's definitely a little bit rough, which I'm not in love with, but I don't hate it. I understand it. And then I got this in the color Lily, which I think is supposed to be a similar shade. Oh, I don't like lipstick, but I'm just gonna give this one a quick little go. Oh. Whoa. Okay, so it's definitely not, frick. It's definitely not the same shade as the pencil, my mistake. I don't love it. It smells not great and it's very dry. Like I can already feel my lips cracking and peeling. So we're gonna try this lip gloss over it, which I feel like is a stupid idea, but we're just gonna see what it looks like. Oh no. Okay, I hate this. I feel like it is such poor quality. I actually want it off immediately. 1 second. Wow, I hated hated that. My lips are like peeling. Oh my god. Okay, wow. I hated that. I hated that so much. They were so dry that I literally felt my lips were like peeling off. It did not feel good. Not a huge fan of the lipsticks at all. But other than the lipsticks, this is the overall look. I really like the foundation. I loved. I thought it was amazing, and I'm definitely going to start incorporating that into my daily makeup routine. The bronzer I loved as well. I feel like it was a really nice, easy bronzer to apply. Not a huge fan of the blush, but that's okay. The eyeshadow I like. It's not my favorite, but I like it. I don't like that it was really hard to blend. The eyeliner I think is really nice. It was definitely very soft and smooth, just not super pigmented, so keep that in mind. Love the brow products. Love, 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 love them. Lipstick 0%, hated all of it, was not a huge fan. This is my overall look of my Arbonne, but that is all I have for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Totally honest review of Arbonne's products, but again, I do love and respect everything that Arbonne does because they are 100% cruelty free, they are vegan, everything like that, everything that I personally believe in, so that does mean a lot to me. So thank you, Arbonne, for being so good at that whole aspect of it. Yes, that is all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys for my next video. Bye.